And this is the final look and start of this really nice Toro personal pace mower I got on our local next door classifieds. Owner got a lawn service and wasn't using this anymore. He bought this new. This is a 2009 model 20332 Toro recycler, 22-inch. It's got the 6.75 gross torque engine, 190cc, Briggs and Stratton, great engine. And this is the personal pace model. Cleaned this up and got all this grass that was built up around it. That bag was never used, and it looks really nice. Try to show this before it rains here today. Change the oil in this. It's probably not going to show full since I've just moved it, but the oil was very low in it, and it was just a good time to go ahead and change it when the oil's low. And you can see with them leaving grass clippings underneath, it's starting to pop rust out. On top there's some bubbles here as well. So don't leave wet grass under your lawnmower. Try to get that out as soon as you can. Cleaned up real nice. There's some more rust showing there. And I was real careful about cleaning underneath because it started pulling paint off. So I left a lot of these grass clippings there. Blade's in good shape, didn't even sharpen that. Autochoke engine. Some more rust bubbles here. And this side chute I was really careful about washing around here because paint was peeling off. And I couldn't even move this blue lever because there was so many grass clippings there. Now I can move that. Let me show you how nice it looks where the bag sits, and then we'll give it its final start here. And this is the back of the mower. This was just jammed with grass clippings. Cleaned those out and got that mulch cover lever to work now. And I showed this earlier, but this is the model and serial number of this really nice Toro personal pace mower. Don't see as much rust back here because he didn't use the bag. And I didn't show this on the first video, but he also gave me a gas container with this as well, and it is almost full. And let's give it its final start here. These height adjustments were also frozen up. I got those to free up as well. And let's see how well this is going to start today. Here we go. Alright. Actually sounds better since I changed the oil in it. Out of the yard. Very nice running Toro personal pace.